Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? I am Sweet Bobby, and it is good to have you. I am proud of you being here today. And y'all, we've got hate mail. So let's go to the hate mail. Hold on a second. Let me close this. And let's see. Well, here we go. We've got
I
hate mail.
got mail. Yay! I got mail. Yay!
Yay, we've got mail. Let's see. Hate mail. Let's see. Where was my hate mail? Let's see. Here we go. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, man. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Tim. Tim, you really should cover your microphone when you're yelling at your dog and kids. It very unprofessional. Well, listen here, Tim. Why don't you blow it out your backside, you moron? How about that? I'll give you a thumbs down. If I want to yell at my kids, I want to yell at my kids. And I'm not going to pause the microphone just because you don't want to hear me yelling at my kids or my dog. If my kids or my dog get in the way of stuff, I yell at them. It's the Sweet Bobby channel. If you don't like the Sweet Bobby channel, go somewhere else. Take yourself elsewhere, moron. Anyway, so that's my mail for the day. All right, so we got us a down day, y'all. Look at this. Oh, wow. And it was a lot worse than that. Look at this. We were straight down. And then we had a recovery. So very, very interesting. Down to almost 1%, 48 handles. Great day to put on trades. Look at the average volume. Wow, 11,000, 1,200. Is that right? That can't be right. That's a lot of volume. Look at this, y'all. A lot of volume came in there, and it said it was bearish volume, but look at there. It was a doji candle that it was going up and it pushed it all the way down, but then price found its way up. Interesting. So let's see what, let's see. What did VIX get at to today? We don't have our VIX today. I bet it went into the 14 handles, didn't it? Let's see what the Big Green Monster says today. Big Green Monster. Tim, is it okay if I yawned in my channel? Unbelievable. Or should I have hit the mute button for me yawning? It's called this unprofessional. Unbelievable. So look at this, y'all. This moving average, which is the 200 moving average, I guess, it served as a little bit of support, and we bounced right off of it. But we are fairly priced, y'all. Exactly, we're fairly priced. And we said the other day, we'll probably fill in these gaps. We did not. We japped down below it and went to the point of control. So what are we saying? Well, we're saying we're fairly priced. We are fairly priced. All right. So let's see how our little account's doing today. We're in the Roth IRA today. Oh, that's beautiful, baby. I love it. I'm talking to my kids, Tim, you blowhard, you. 55,508. 55,508. Let's see how we're doing here. 55,508. Well, dag nabbit. We're down a little bit, but on a big day like today, that's not bad. Down $360 since we were here last week. Today's 3/5/24. Well, y'all be quiet. I'm in my class, and Tim is upset because I'm not hitting the mute button. Unbelievable. All right. So let's see what we're going to do here today. Greeks and ratios.
Dad, look at me.
Well, that looks good, JoJo. I like your little shirt there. All right. So let's see. We got Bill in this account. We beta weighted to SPY. Our deltas are 61. Our theta is 40. 61.40. Let's put that in. 60 40. I'm going to guess VIX went to 14 today. Let's see if it did.
It was 14 earlier.
Okay, it was. Okay, we'll just put 14. That's good. It doesn't really matter. Buying power usage is, let's see. Buying power usage is 14.4. Hush, dog. Sorry, Tim. All right, so we're using 25% of our buying power. That looks good. We've got, I don't know. We've got all kind of stuff here. Let me look at my hedges. We've got 24 shorts, 30 longs. I started to say it's a good day to put on a hedge with some more shorts, but I won't, since we've got 24 shorts and 30 longs, no need to do that. Let's see if any of my trades say that they need to come off, and indeed they do. So let's take off one. These naked put 99s, the 38.50 with 10 days left to go. Let's just take those down. 38.50 with 10 days left to go. Let's see, T-bills, we got, hold on a second, let's put these in T-bills. Move to group T-bills. Oh, they are in T-bills. Okay. Naked books. Here we go. 3850s with 2 days to go. Well, actually, let's just close the 3800s with 10 days to go. Create closing order. We only lost 50 cents on these today, y'all, total. Let's see if we can get filled out here for 30. There we go. Out there for 30, y'all. That's really good. So I don't think we lost anything on that. So we got out of the 3800s for 30 cents. So let's put 30 cents in there. Beth, will you get that dog? So Tim won't be upset with me yelling at it. Two or 3, 5, 24. So we made 96% on that. No, we made, 96% on that, made $126. Beautiful. All right. So now let's say our position sizing is says we need to do about 2 a week. So we're underperforming here. We don't have enough on, do we? Let's see. It says after today we should have on 22 contracts, and we actually have 18. So let's do. I think it's a good day to bump it up to 3 contracts. Good day to do a 112. So let's go do 3 contracts. So we'll trade MES. And we'll go 120 days out. So we'll go to this 108. And we've been putting on 111s. So we'll go to the 10 delta, which is right in here. Let's see, what is this? That's a 4650. We've got 3 there. So let's do 3 more there. Get a nice 3075 maybe. Man, will you get that dog? I mean, that's what part makes my channel, y'all, is me yelling at my dogs and my kids. I mean, if I can't yell at my dogs and kids, who can I yell at? 3050. Cancel, replace. 3050. So we did 3 4650s at 3050. 3650 at 4050. 3650. At 3050. What I say it was 4650, y'all? Is that right? Hal, tell me if I'm wrong. 4650.
Yeah.
So we did macros. Can y'all hear that dog?
No.
Y'all really can't hear that. That's amazing. I mean, I got dogs barking all over the place. So that's naked foot 113. Puts, we got naked. We were at 106, I think. And we did this on 3/5/24. All right, good. So 3/5/24. Now we need to put in our put debit spreads. And we're going to do 3 contracts of those. 3. We'll call it PDF 113. Put debit spread 106. 3, 5. Oh, I'm sorry. I was supposed to do control colon. What a saver that is. Control colon. Control your colon, ladies and gentlemen. And let's put those in. Let's see. So we're going to go to a 25 delta or so right in here. So we're going to buy the 4950, sell the 4900, and we'll do 3 of those. For 850, let's bump it up a little bit. 860. And swing better. Sometimes these things are a little. Oh, is it 108 days to expiration? Thank you, Brian. Cancel replace. 870. Come on. Let's get that's the problem with doing these things after hours. Sometimes these spreads have a little bit of a wide. Let's see. Let's go 885. Nothing. That's fine. We'll get it. I got nothing but time, baby. Me and old Tim just hanging out, just yelling at kids, yelling at dogs, being totally unprofessional. So we got filled at 890. 890. So we did the 4950, 4900. 49.50, 4,900. 4,900 at 890. Beautiful. And we said those are 108 days, right? 108. 108. There, good. Now let's see. Can you trade Bill after 433? I don't know if you can still trade Bill. Let's see how much Bill we got in here. Look at this, y'all. This saying that Bill is not taking up any of my buying power. Let's see if I can show y'all that. Look at this. Buying power zero for my 350 shares, but I just don't believe that's right. Let's see how much. Let's put in a trade for Bill and just see it. I don't think we can put in a trade now.
I think
Bill,
Ed said yesterday you can.
really? Let's try it. So let's just try to buy 10 shares. Just see what happens here. Let's put sales. Oh my gosh, not 1,000, Bob. 10, buddy. 10, feller. There we go. 10 bills. So confirm and send. Oh, wow. Look at there, y'all. I'll have $16 left. Let's try it. Nothing. I just didn't think that it would let me do it after hours. So I think that's the case. Let's cancel that order. But anyway, there you have it. We did 3 tranches today. Now, here's one thing that we need to talk about, and I think we're going to talk about this Friday in Muscadine Mafia. Let's pretend that we're putting on a trade today, and let's analyze the trade. Let's go back to the micros, because I think there's something I got to do. And the thing that I got to do is figure out, let's do this trade. What's this? Let's do the same trade that I did today. So we were going to sell the 10% probability being in the money. So that'd be selling the 46.50 for a 111. And then let's buy the 49.50 and sell the 4,900. So that's a 111, right? So let's analyze this trade, because I got to thinking last night. I was lying in bed thinking about Tim and his ugly comment on my thing, and I was like, you know what? I think that we need to adjust our sizing calculator, because it's going to change the. You didn't place the order on Bill for EXT. What does that mean? For extended market change? Is that what it is? So let's hide my positions and just show my stuff here. 336. Yeah, okay, good. I should have done that then. Okay, so there's the 111. So let's get rid of this 336. So the only thing we should have is this 111. Okay. So this, if we were to send this, confirm and send, it says it's taking up $700 worth of buying power. Here it says at today's date, well, let's move it to 535. Let's move this to 35. It says about $800 worth of buying power. All right. So what happens though to the buying power on this thing? What are my things here? Day step, fall step, expirations. I started to say, I bet the buying power for these things goes down as you go on, right? So let's go out a week to the 12th. So the 12th, yeah, see how the buying power went down from 800 to 790? Let's see, on the 8th or the 19th, went down to 775. Then it went down to 26. 760. So what I think we need to do is, let's see, today's 3-5, let's say a month in time. Let's go to 4-5. Okay, a little bit of down. So in other words, we need to adjust our little, what do you call it, sizing calculator. Yeah, see, it takes it down to 700. So in doing our sizing calculator, we basically said, look, this trade is going to take Well, I've got $1,225, but it looks like it's taking $800. So let's do
That's a
800.
112. You're putting out, you're comparing that to
Oh,
a
that's
111.
right. So and now since I've been doing more 111s, I need to do 111, and it's taking up, what do we say, $890 or $800? There we go. And what I need to do is do some kind of calculation to say, well, by the time this thing is 15 weeks old, it's going to decay a lot. So I need to be able to put more on. In other words, we're trying to keep 50% of our account in these things. So what we need to do is say, let's go back. Let's go to today's date and let's count the weeks. At 15 weeks, what would this thing be? So we're at March the 5th. So there's 1, 2, 3 weeks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks. 13, 14, 15. By the 18th, well, it's not that bad. Still 692. Is that right? 692,
It
618.
also changes with the price.
Yeah, it does, right? As price goes up or down, price goes down, those swell up, definitely. So, but I don't know. Let's say 618. Let's see what it is compared to 611. 689. It's not that bad of a decay on it. It's holding its buying power pretty good. 683. Okay, that's not as bad as what I thought. But yeah, you're right. If we're doing the 111, we definitely need to change that buying power. So I think that's more something that's a little more correct, is doing the 2.31 since I'm started doing the 111s again. Yeah. So about $800 on that thing. And we should do about 2.31 today. So if you get a good down day, do 3 of them, right? So now that gives us 19 positions. 19 positions. And we should be at, what do we say we should be at? Should be at 34 positions. Wow, we are really underperforming. We got to get
Yeah,
more
but
of those
your
on.
112s you have on, you got to count double.
Okay, maybe that's right too. Yeah. Why more 111s instead of 112? I don't know. I'm gonna sprinkle them both in. I'm not done with the 112. I'm just gonna do some 111s. And it basically had to do with Brian Raging Bull's analysis that, hey, if crap hits the fan, having that additional notional exposure is going to hurt you a good bit. But there are things we could do on the way down. But yeah, the 111 was showing about the same profit, cuts in your commissions a little bit. You don't have to do as many contracts, cuts down on your notional exposure. So since I have so many 112s, I'm gonna sprinkle in some 111s. All right, good session today, y'all. Appreciate y'all coming, and sorry I was late. The college class went long, and everybody except Tim, have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see y'all tomorrow.